In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create smooth scroll links in Webflow, making your site navigation seamless and efficient. Whether you're building a personal portfolio or a complex business site, ensuring that your visitors can move through your content effortlessly is key. So let's get started on refining that user experience. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer and select the target section or any specific element you wish to scroll to. This is where the link will point your users, so choose wisely depending on your site's structure and your user's journey. For example, if you want them to easily find your contact information, you might select your contact section. Next, you'll need to set an ID for this section, which our scrolling link will use as a reference point. Head over to the Element Settings panel. You'll find this by clicking on the gear icon located on the right side of your screen. In the ID field, type in a unique name for your selected section. It's important to follow best practices here. Use only lowercase letters, avoid spaces, and opt for hyphens instead of underscores. For example, you might name your section Contact Section or Pricing, depending on its purpose. This will ensure everything runs smoothly and keeps your code neat and tidy. Having set a clear target, shift your attention to the element you want users to click on. This could be any clickable element, like a text link button or a navigation link. It depends on what suits your design and user flow best. Once selected, go to its Element Settings panel as well. Here, you'll focus on the link settings. Click on the drop-down menu that appears when you examine link types. What you're looking for is the section or page section option. Select this to create an internal link that scrolls to our predefined section. After setting all this up, it's crucial to test everything by publishing your changes. Go ahead and click Publish so that these edits can take effect. Open up your live site and conduct a thorough test by clicking the link you set up. Watch how the smooth scroll takes you directly to your target section. This little tweak can truly change how users interact with your site, creating a more intuitive navigation experience. Not only does this keep users engaged, but it also encourages them to explore further. By facilitating a natural flow of movement through your website, you'll likely see a positive impact on user satisfaction. So there you have it. Setting up smooth scroll links in Webflow doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you can enhance navigation and user experience effectively and with ease. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.